Regina's Kitchen UK. So I am here today to review or to recommend another restaurant in my vlog about where to eat in Manchester. And one of the famous fish and chips restaurant is Harry Ramsden. Ayan. So we're always excited eating in Harry Ramsden because they have the best fish and chips as well. Okay, so these are the menus. Harry Ramsden's world's famous fish and chips. You shouldn't be missing the famous fish and chips, which we prefer cod because of the texture. Ayan, instead of haddock. Kasi haddock daw is a bit fragile and thin, while yung cod is thicker and it's compact. So we're gonna have of course, the large one. But my Gianna is having the cod burger. So we can't wait. Show you a bit up kasi I don't want to take some video of people for privacy reason here, diba? They're very particular to that. Order now instead of going in front of the cashier or the till. Ayan. All you have to do is just order there. Ayan. Instead of going there, if you can't do it, and we don't need to go there anymore. Help out of the scheme of the government to help all the restaurants, mga businesses. Look how big cod is. Is this really cod? Yeah, we'll find out if it's really cod. That's the regular. Yeah, we could share because I want the curry sauce. This is the tartar sauce. And that is Daddy's gravy. Lagay mo dito, mahal, and we could share. Oh, we could put in the middle. Like that. And we could start eating. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna start to eat this now. I'm gonna try this. It's the best fish as well. Oh, there's the burger now. Thank you. I'll try with the curry sauce first. Ito ang na-miss namin. And you know what? We like putting some vinegar in our... Do you mind opening it? Guys, look at the fish. How big is that? I miss that. And actually, yan. I just want to smother it around some vinegar in my chips like that. This is how they eat it. Now, I like it now. There you go. Oh, look at that, guys. I'm gonna put some...
Careful with your...
Oh my God. Ang sarap.
Curry sauce is nice.
Yeah, the curry sauce is nice as well. Right, let's try it with gravy.
Did you give her?
This is what I like about the chips instead of French fries sometimes because it's chunky. It's crunchy outside, but it's soft inside. I love it. It's the best. Chunky chips and fish. Yeah, there you go. So good luck sa amin na may maubos namin to. Pero I bet we will because we're too hungry. We didn't have breakfast. Ito yung na-miss mo na mahal.
Yeah.
It's just so nice. It's just the
You
fish.
don't have to go to Blackwell anymore.
I know, and the fish,
It's
it just
quality.
melts in your mouth, and outside is so crunchy. Ang sarap. Same with the you know what? I just want to shower my fish now with gravy, so I don't need to dip it. It's light in the tummy anyway because fish is not too heavy to eat. Oh my god. Let's try it with tartar sauce. Yan siya. This is nice with tartar sauce. Like this time, I'm gonna try it in curry sauce. Is your burger nice, Mami? Can I show them? Guys, this is the burger, cod burger. Can I try it? Yeah. It's nice as well. Yeah. It's big but it's light. It's just light. Ano mahal? And I like the chips. Enjoy it. Are you gonna use your vinegar? Can I have vinegar as well? Guys, parang hindi ko na mauubos. Ay, ito, man versus food. It's really too big for me. Ayan, so guys, hindi talaga namin na ubos.
It's too
The
much.
fish is way too big. So, we decided to just finish the fish. Ayan, so guys, we enjoy that. And till next vlogging again and showing what to eat and where to eat in Manchester. So, bye for now. Till my next vlogging. Thank you for watching Regina's Kitchen UK. Bye.